Renting feels normal, right? It's the default. But have you ever stopped to think that it might be the very thing keeping you broke? That feeling of your bank account draining month after month just to keep a roof over your head. And then comes the email you dread. Your rent is going up. Again, every single payment you make is a direct deposit into your landlord's pocket. You're paying down their mortgage, funding their retirement, and building their wealth. And what do you get at the end of the year? A receipt for thousands of dollars spent, with zero equity to show for it. Nothing. It's a cycle that can feel impossible to escape. But at some point, you have to draw a line in the sand. You have to decide that you want more than just a temporary place to live. You want a foundation. You want a future that you own, literally. So the question becomes unavoidable. Are you going to continue building someone else's future, or are you finally ready to start building your own? Imagine that same monthly payment, but instead of disappearing, it's building your stake in something real, something that grows in value, something that is yours. This is that moment. It's time to make a choice. Decide. Create a roadmap. Plan. And then take that first crucial step. Act.